Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we are doing a video on a 325iS that basically came in for Respray. Um, so decent car, right? It's actually a nice car, but paintwork on the car was a little bit shabby. It would pass. It would pass. People needed to see what was in the paint, and then once you saw that, you could never unsee it again. So it wasn't a crappy car. But it needed the paint. It needed the paint to be corrected properly, and um, it needed the paint to be corrected properly. It needed basically to revive it. It needed to be given the respect and the attention that the car deserves, right? So I know the owner has this car for the past 20 years, and it was painted, as my knowledge, over 20 years ago, basically. So he brought the car in a couple of months back, and Sanjay basically sort out, right? So not a restoration. We didn't do a build on it. It didn't need it. Doesn't need a restoration. On the engine side, all we done was basically a light tune on it because the car is standing as well. The car is Elton. So the car has been standing. You can smell the fuel. It's quite old as well. So basically, just to revive it and let him enjoy it and so on like that. So the color we went with on the car is back to original, which is brilliant red. I'm going to move basically to the other side of the shop because the lighting is just horrible if I come from the back towards the front of the door, right? So this car, we went back down to bare metal. We done the due necessary as we do for a respray, and she came out good. So you guys tell me what you think. Alright, so paintwork came out great. The lines are on point, and this brilliant red is just popping. It pops. So I'm going to use the light again. So I'm going to use the reflection of the exterior light, and we're going to go across the bonnet. And like I showed you guys before, that will give us imperfections basically in the paint and so on like that. The wheel is going to change. He's going to go basically back to a stock wheel. Okay, so what I done is I just got the lighting back up fast here, right? So you guys saw it with no lighting. Have a look at this. We done a detail on the car as well. So look at this. I really think the paint came out good. For me, what gets me on this car, right? What gets me is this line there. See how sharp this line is? On the red, it just sticks out. It just sticks out. So I'm gonna go back to the front here again. Just follow the light. Go back to the front again, now with the lighting at the back, and now you'll actually see it pop again now. So this color does different things. It shines differently, it reacts differently with different lighting, obviously. So this lighting doesn't actually do justice. On the interior side, basically just a nice detail. He had the seats recovered back then, so we're not going to recover it again now. Door cards, I tried to get original door cards. but we're just basically out of time for it. Right, on the engine bay side, basically just done a nice cleanup on it and try to keep it basically back to original. She's got HIDs on, so I couldn't get the headlight covers back onto it. So the bonnet chains now. So this is how it looks. Look at the reflection of the car in the background. So yeah, this will be a nice December ride. So yeah, you guys had a look at that. Let me know what you think. We've got a couple of cars that we're finishing up now. We're starting to detail the 333s. Yellow silver is looking like something else. The black is also looking like something else. So there's two yellow silvers, one diamond black, one henna red. Some cars to come out of here, and then we got the orange car at the back. Let's give you a glimpse here quickly how this car came out. Right, me and my camera work again. Right, the orange looks good. It looks very good. Again, it's not a taste for everybody. It's not a color for everybody. But this is what the owner wants. This is what they're looking forward to seeing. This here hasn't been polished as yet. We're giving it just one cut. Let's see. Let me see here. Right, so basically, this orange on camera, right? It's just, I think the lighting at the back is also messing it up here. This is not the orange. This is more of what I'm seeing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.